Slide 1. Welcome to Health Management Information Systems. What is Health Informatics? This is Lecture A. The component Health Management Information Systems is a theory component that provides an introduction to healthcare applications and the systems that use them, health information technology standards, health-related data structures, and enterprise architecture in healthcare organizations. Lecture A will define information management, information technology, and informatics, describe the fundamental theorem of informatics, explain the meaning of biomedical and health informatics as a field of study, and offer definitions of the major biomedical informatics areas of applications. It also will provide an overview of informatics drivers and trends in the healthcare field. Slide 2. The objectives for this unit, What is Health Informatics?, are to define information management, information system, technology, and informatics, explain the basic theoretical concept that underlies informatics practice, define the meaning of biomedical and health informatics as a field of study. Slide 3. Additional objectives for this unit, What is Health Informatics?, are to describe the biomedical informatics areas of applications, summarize the informatics drivers and trends, state the professional roles and skills of health informaticians, and identify how health informaticians process data into information and knowledge for healthcare tasks with the support of information technology to improve patient care. Slide 4. This introductory lecture will define information management, information system, technology, and informatics, describe the fundamental theorem of informatics, explain the meaning of biomedical and health informatics as a field of study, offer definitions of the major biomedical informatics areas of applications, and provide an overview of informatics drivers and trends. Let's begin with defining information management, information system, technology, and informatics. According to the American Health Information Management Association, AHIMA, information management is the generation, collection, organization, validation, analysis, storage, and integration of data, as well as the dissemination, communication, presentation, utilization, transmission, and safeguarding of the information. AHIMA 2012, page 181. If the type of information were health, then health information management would entail acquisition, organization, storage, retrieval, and dissemination of health information from a multitude of places. The purpose is ensuring availability, accuracy, and protection of health information that is needed by a variety of individuals in the delivery of healthcare services and to support decision-making activities. An example of information management would be deploying a content or document management system. Slide 5. The next definition in the series of terms closely related to information management and informatics is information system or technology. AHIMA defines information system as an automated system that uses computer hardware and software to record, manipulate, store, recover, and disseminate data. That is, a system that receives and processes input and provides output, often used interchangeably with information technology, IT. AHIMA 2012, page 181. When you think of information technology, some things that should come to mind are computer networks, database and systems administration, security, and programming. Therefore, information technology could be used in the management of information. Connecting information technology to health, consider the following definition by the Office of the National Coordinator for Health Information. Health Information Technology, HIT, the application of information processing involving both computer hardware and software that deals with the storage, retrieval, sharing, and use of healthcare information, data, and knowledge for communication and decision-making. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, 2009, paragraph 8. An example of health information technology would be administrative and financial systems that facilitate billing, accounting, and other administrative tasks. Slide 6. The final definition in this information series comes from authors Elmer Bernstam, Jack Smith, and Todd Johnson in their article, What is Biomedical Informatics?